Welcome to my channel KATIETRADE. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe and activate the notification bell guys, so you don't miss it when I upload my videos every day.
I open sell because the market goes up too high and forms a flat trend, not strong going up, not strong going down. And maybe now the candle will go down soon because the market is too strong to go up and is already at the saturation point. We wait for the time to run out. The time is 2 minutes.
Profit guys. Thank you for watching my video. See you in my next video. Bye bye.